kept Bubemo.
That because.
Amu, eh? What's your trouble? What's your trouble? Man. Before that, the rubber yaburusa. Eto numogo yaburusa kobo. Okay. Oh, sisi emia kana kosi kesi wechia. Hey! Agene. Amu abodogun.
Ibuze ezoboda.
Hey, agene. Anya kiji nwa yeku.
Niche, ekene kwa munu. Niche, ekene kwa munu.
Of all days, my love has decided not to pick my calls this day. Of all days, on this very day, my love has decided not to pick my calls. Not to pick my calls.
My princess, please. My princess, please.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Even the so-called barrister that is supposed to be here with the court injunction is not here, and he's not picking my calls. What am I? You know what? At this point, I'll just kill myself. I'll just die because I can't even watch this happen.
Don't talk like that. Calm down, princess. Listen, if you continue like this, you're going to break down. I still believe God will show up. Besides, my brother is someone that is full of surprises. You just cannot predict him.
Wait.
Yes.
Did you just say
yes.
Surprises?
Yes.
On a day like this? This is the wrongest time to pull up any kind of stuff. What kind of surprise are you talking about? What are you saying?
Just calm down, please.
Oh my God. Can you see what's going on there? These people have almost succeeded even with the police alert. They're all there. What do you want me to? What kind of surprise does he want to pull up at this point?
My princess, please come. Just
listen. Someone should tell my father right now to come out if he's alive. Tell him to come out.
Wait.
Tell him to come out.
Wait, it's okay. It's okay.
And if he's dead, tell his spirit to come and fight for his ancestral soul.
Yes.
Tell him to come out.
Yes.
I can't take this. Just tell him to come out.
He will come
Tell
out.
him to come out.
He will come
I
out.
cannot.
He will come out.
I can't let this happen.
It's okay.
This cannot happen to us.
Just please, my
Oh
princess.
God.
Joy. Oro no mumbe. Ndi che kene kwa munu. Ndi che mamanu, rianu, uonu, muonu, zonu, kachano. Eze bueche. There is no need wasting further time. Ndi che. Since it is now very clear, I mean that the paternity of our Achunike has been proved beyond reasonable doubt. And we all know what it means traditionally. It means that nobody should be crowned king when his father is still alive. Therefore, I will be the one to be crowned king.
Is this a joke? What is the meaning of this game? Uncle, what are you trying to do? Is this a joke or what?
Actually, Kay, what you heard is exactly what he said. It's exactly what you heard that he said. Have you heard me? Were you not the one, when I was saying about this, were you not the one that was telling them to push me hard out of the system, to push me away from the gate, never to come in? Were you not the one? Deal with it. Because it serves you right.
Okay.
Nonsense.
What is that sound I'm hearing? And where is it coming from?
Whatever is the sound and whatever
Forget the
is
sound and crown me the king.
Look, whatever is the sound and whatever it's coming from does not concern us. We must achieve that. Today, we must achieve the kingship. We will crown me king.
Oh no, we'll crown me the king of this kingdom. Don't waste time.
Yeah. Urona mume. Hey. I will watch and see what is going on.
Should I kneel down? So we begin the process.
Nothing is going on. I am your father, and you cannot be king when I'm still alive.
Don't dare me. Don't dare me, uncle. Crown me now. Crown me the next king of this kingdom.
I am not your uncle. I am your father.
Oh.
Don't toy with me.
Have you all heard
See, it has gotten to this.
Have you heard him?
Since the noise still persists, what do we do next? I have to crown myself king so that I go there. I go out there.
Don't try it. Uncle, don't try it. Uncle, don't try it.
Let me tell you something.
Akukaria, Your Majesty. So, you plotted my assassination so that you can usurp my throne, right?
Your Majesty, I thought, I never knew.
You thought what? You did it purpose deliberately.
Stop!
Please stop that nonsense.
Is this not Chinwata? Chinwata Kwenzi,
He's the one.
the notorious criminal on our list. Officers, take him.
Move him.
And this one,
Move him.
this is the father.
Why are you taking him to?
They plotted it together. Take them away. Leave John.
Leave my son!
Move him. Don't go with him. Go. Like father, like son. Move him. Criminal. Hey! Everybody around, please come! My daughter! My daughter!
Yes, princess.
Oh my God! Take. My daughter!
Mama, leave me. Leave me, let me kill myself. Just leave me alone. Don't do this. Please. Leave me alone. How will I handle the
Mama,
guilt?
leave me.
How will I handle the guilt, please? Don't do this to me.
How will you handle the guilt? Mama, how will you handle the guilt? Mama, it has always been about you. It has always been about you. Handle it anyhow you want. Handle it anyhow you want. You caused all this. You caused all this.
You can start from somewhere. You have a lot to live for, please. I'm here.
I can start from somewhere. I can start from somewhere, Mama. Okay, fine. Mama, tell me, where do I start from? No, really, tell me, where exactly do you want me to start from? As that stupid girl who waited for the love of her life for 5 years, kept her virginity for 5 years, only for her to fall for a fool, only for her to ruin everything herself, or for the idiot that is pregnant for a rapist and a robber carrying a bastard for him. Mama, how do you want me to start? You want me to start as that desperate girl that was stupid and could not wait? Could not wait and fell for a fool. Mama, you ruined me. I shouldn't have listened to you.
Don't think it in that
I should have
direction,
listened
please.
to Papa and Ifeoma. God.
Please, don't see it that I ruined your life.
Let me kill myself. Just leave me, Mama. Leave me.
For your own good.
Leave me. Let me kill myself.
Please,
Leave me. Let me kill myself.
Please don't do this to me. Please.
Wait. So this is where the whole drama has brought us to. Eh? HS on her taking her own life. Eh? Listen, I think I told you. I told you, my daughter, I told you not to follow this evil woman. That you will lead her astray. Have you seen it now? My daughter, didn't I tell you? Now look at it. Shout to you for stopping her from killing herself. Yes. Go ahead, my dear. It is obvious you have been here for long. Eh? My daughter, go ahead and kill yourself. Eh? Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead and kill yourself. Go. Allow her.
Please don't do this.
Look at this stupid woman.
Don't listen to him.
Go ahead and kill yourself. Murder yourself. So that the whole thing will go. But I told you. I warned you that you never listened to the voice of your father. Yeah? You never listened to me. I told you that this woman will lead you to your early grave. If I had not said it, then it would have been a different thing. But I said it all with my mouth. So you are hearing. Nonsense. Wherever you take her to, there you will also go. Take her to hell. And you will be there too. Evil woman. My queen, don't mind her. Just take your knife. Stab yourself to death. So that God will be clapping for you in heaven. While you will be languishing in hellfire. I will be somewhere also clapping for you. Yes, you are right. You are up to yourself. You are up to the level of standing for your own responsibilities. Yes, this is it. Nonsense. Kill yourself.
Hey, please. Please.
And we never allow you to be in one hand forever. Okay? Stop crying. Okay? It's okay. It's okay, my love.
I'm sorry.
Is life not a pleasant surprise? Who would have believed that I would be here, holding you in such auspicious manner?
Well, I would have.
You would have?
No, I would have. Now, anything is possible in this life.
Wait, hold on.
Ademaro.
Wait, are you saying that you have been nursing this amorous feeling towards me?
Well, what I'm trying to say is that you're a beautiful woman. And any man who sees you would fall for you. So it is not out of place to say that I fell for you, honestly. My name I'm not a layabout. I don't cheat. Which is why my boss's daughter overseas fell in love with me and gave me all her wealth and her family's wealth. She wanted me. You know, even though I knew that she had cancer and she was going to die anytime soon, but I still chose to tell her the truth. You got to go. Say, baby, come down. Before I know, let me call Nigeria and find out if HS on her, who is waiting for me, has moved on or she's still waiting. You know, and it made her look at me different. You want to go?
Wow. You know, such white girls are rare.
Mm-hmm.
But seriously, is that the only reason she willed all that wealth to you?
You see, there's a beautiful story behind it. What happened is that while I was serving as U.S. Marine, I saved the father from a possible assassination and conspiracy. Wow. Yes, that could have taken everything away from them, all their wealth, and sent the man to prison. So I think that singular act of mine endeared me to her and her father, and of course she fell in love. And even though it didn't work, she bequeathed everything to me. You want to go?
You know, you're like a superhero all the time. You just save people's lives. And I'm happy I left my ex to be with you.
Okay.
And now I am with you. Like you're the best man for me.
You know, since you've been talking, I've just been looking at your lips. It's doing me to kiss you. Come now, let me kiss.
You come. You come.
I want to chama.
Good afternoon, my princess.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon, Edibongo.
Kekwana.
Why is she crying?
Yeah, that girl, they make her mom me this sometimes.
But why is she crying? Because she saw us together.
I don't know.
Is there something?
She behaves like a mermaid sometimes.
No. Is there something going on between you and her?
Rubbish. I have been a good friend to you and I've had it. You see, this your nonsense cry is not going to help you. It's not going to help you in any way. You better come and go and solve the problem you caused between my brother and his fiancée, the princess, before it gets out of hand. What is it? Are you the only one that has been in love before?
What problem? What problem did I cause by greeting them and coming to my house? What are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know what I'm talking about, Chika. You don't know the problem you caused between them, eh? You don't know.
I don't know, Dora. Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me continue to cry to my God.
Hey!
Let me continue to cry to my cheek.
Do you know as it is, eh? You're already running mad. Just like I told you. That you will run mad at some point, just like I told you from the onset. I warned you to kill this godforsaken obsession you had towards my brother, who never for one day expressed his love for you. But you did not listen. You called me all sorts of names. Joy killer, a friend that is not happy for you. And now you're sitting here to cry. Eh?
Why are you talking as if you're not a woman? Why? Haven't you fallen in love before? Haven't you? Please.
I refuse.
Just leave me alone. Let me be. Let me be.
I cannot let you be. I should let you be where? I should let you be where, Chika? You better go and quench the fire you ignited before it burns you to ashes. You better go and quench it, oh. Because you see, those days I was pampering your feelings, trying to think that I would talk you into having some sense. It has gone. I can see you've run mad. But you will not bring your madness into my family. You better go and quench that fire. Did you hear me? I am talking to you. I am talking to you.
Because I love your brother.
Do not love my brother. It's not by force. Is it by force? Hey, it's like you don't know Adora.
Adora is where you are talking to because I love your brother. Adora, because I love
You bongo.
The money.
You bongo.
Not be you they talk to. Yeah, that man may touch her. Huh? Oh, yeah. Go and stop there.
The right time has come. We have to pay attention. Because the great man of our community, of our kingdom, our king, is going to bless his children with a royal blessing. Oh, yeah. Your Majesty, over to you. The bongos. Go.
My beautiful princess and my most handsome son-in-law to me. Today you have my royal blessings. As a matter of fact, your union is ordained by the gods. And I ride on the ordination of the gods. You will have male and female children. You will have good health. Wealth is already given. May you live long. You receive my blessings this day.
Now do they do? No be what to get they do. Now do they do? Yeah. No be what to get they do. You they claim boss, you know they represent. Clencher, you know they represent. So. Clean box, you know they represent. Clencher, you know they represent. I be trying you the booga, you the carry shoulder up. Oh yeah, see, I be trying you the booga, you the carry shoulder up. I believe you don't help. I believe you the carry along go. I believe you don't help. I believe you the carry along go. Oh yeah, show you one break record. Oh yeah, go fence your village. If you want break record, oh yeah, go fence your village. Babangida no fencing village. Obasanjo no fencing village. Dangote no fencing village. Hotel Dollar no fencing village. Atiku no fencing village. Wari no fencing village. Adeleke no fencing village. Good luck no fencing village. None of them don't fence their village. They don't fence their village. CP fencing house for security purpose. Black said yellow fencing house. Oh yeah, for security purpose. If they want break record, oh yeah, they then go fence their village. Right now the way it is that the bongo want fencing village. If they show love, if they carry people along, and the plenty money, and the plenty money, and the bongo everywhere, and the bongo international, and the bongo is fencing everywhere, showing love, sharing scholarship, free education, contributing to the society. Go fence your village, and the bongo fence everywhere, and the bongo fence everywhere, and the bongo they show love, and the bongo they carry people along. And the money, and the bongo, and the bongo, and the bongo, and the bongo, and the international, and the international. The bongo fence everywhere, for security purpose. If they want break record, they then go fence their village. I be trying you the booga, you the carry shoulder up. Wait, see, I be trying you the booga, you the carry shoulder up. Oh yeah, how many you don't help? How many you the carry along go? Oh yeah, how many you don't help? How many you the carry along go? Show you one break record, oh yeah. See, go fence your village. If you want break record, oh yeah, go fence your village record. They show love, you know, the bongo is back. At the international, at the international. Give a chance at the everywhere. And the way they show love. If they want break record, they then go fence their village. Every bongo.
Thank you, everybody. Congratulations.
You gotta see, you gotta see.